blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. It's Mark. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm almost at 400 subscribers. I'm like 10 subscribers away. Not much, not 10, not 9 or 8, but 10 subscribers away. But today's topic is kids that don't have any manners, kids that don't have any respect, and how I feel about it. So this situation happened at the college where I'm attending right now, IRSC college. I went into the building and there was this young lady sitting on the sofa in the hall right there, and I went in there and I acknowledged her and I said a good afternoon, and she looked at me with no response, not even a good afternoon or a hello or anything like that. So I was like, oh wow, you know. Yeah, so I turned to her, you know, being myself. I said, I told you good afternoon, you're not going to answer me. She's like, oh hi. I'm like, and I walked up and shook my head. The reason why I want to talk about this is because I take offense to that. I was brought up, you know, with respect. I was brought up with manners, and in the Caribbean, we acknowledge people. If we're going into a building, we say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sir, madam, yes, thank you. It's common courtesy, it's manners, it's respect. You're showing respect, you're acknowledging, you know, people. And once you have those etiquette, you know, those morals, I think it can, you know, take you far in life. They always tell you manners take you far in life. Having respect for people take you far in life. Say for example, you were brought up that way versus being brought up with no respect at all. Like I've seen with most of these American kids. No offense, but it's just the truth. Most of these American kids don't have any respect, any love, any kind of kindness towards elders or towards their peer. It's just pure negativity and, you know, lack of respect. So look at it this way: you're going into a business or organization and you walk in, you know, you're going into an office to apply for a job, you don't tell anybody good morning, you don't acknowledge people. The boss could be sitting down, you know, downstairs or sitting down in the lobby, and you walk in not knowing it's the boss, and you walk in without acknowledging the boss or acknowledging who is there, you walk in and stuff like that. You know, that kind of make things bad for you because they observe you, and bosses and of higher authority, they were brought up with respect. So when you lack those ability or those morals, it is not good for you per se. No, I, you know, went ahead and I tell her that, hey, whenever people acknowledge you, you need to say, you know, thank you or whatever it is. But you know, the moral of the story is I can't understand why these kids nowadays or people in general don't have any respect. I guess it's the culture, and I will say it is the culture of the people here versus the people in the Caribbean, because I've experienced it and I've seen it for myself, where I've been in situations and these people don't have any respect at all, and I had to address them and basically let them know that, hey, you need to have respect and you need to be careful how you talk to people, or you need to watch how you talk to me when I'm talking to them. So, you know, I do that. I take it upon myself to do that, and I don't care who want to get offended or who want to be upset or yada yada. I don't care. I stand for something, and I always stand for that. Respect is due, especially to our elders, especially to our peers. You know, respect is due, and I live by that. I guess the blame should be placed on the parents, because in the homes there's no respect or any values or anything in the home. So the kids go out in the streets, on the road, and they do whatever they feel like. Kids act like they're adult, and you know, I blame the parents, because these parents are so laid back, they're so soft, and they give the kids so much leeway to do whatever they want, and then the kids mold into these monsters that feel like they can control everybody and they can get their way, you know, and without, you know, paying their dues or even having respect for other people. So I blame the parents. You need need to be more responsible. You need to ensure that your kids are well mannered. You need to ensure that you teach them morals and values and having respect for others, because it can take you far away just by respecting and being, you know, a decent, you know, individual, decent citizen in society. It take you there very far. Now in the comments below, if you agree with me on this, tell me if you have experienced this. Let me know in the comments, and thank you guys very much for the feedback. I really appreciate it, especially for the live video that I did, the updated channel. You guys give me the thumbs up, you guys, you know, comment on the video quality, and that is really important for me, because I'm sharing these topics, I'm interacting, you know, I'm, you know, just doing my thing on YouTube. And if you guys don't interact with me, then I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So the advice is noted, and I respect them, and I will continue to, you know, do what I can do to enhance, you know, the video so you guys can enjoy more. So, you know, I'm going to end it right there. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. Thanks to all the new subscribers as well. You know, subscribe for more, and just, you know, drop in the comments below. Tell me how you feel about the topic. Tell me if you experience it. Whatever it is, just share it with me, guys. I'm out. Oh, you like my shirt? Hey, my shirt. Guess how much you paid for that shirt? I paid I think $3 for this shirt, or $1 for this shirt in Walmart. But it look good, you know, cheap and clean. I don't know, but thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. I'm out.